Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'll talk about the underlay option in Revit. So the underlay option plays a very important role when you want to look at levels below the current level. So for example, right now I'm on first floor slab top. And if I'd like to see the levels below this level, I would go to the underlay option under my view settings. So generally, when you do not select any element in Revit, it would show the settings of your view. And when you select an element, so for example, the floors, then it would show the settings of your floor. So if you like to see the settings of your view, simply click on the outside or simply tap escape on your keyboard. So you deselect everything and then you can see the settings of your view. So in the project settings of your view, we have the underlay option, and under underlay, we have the range base level and the range top level. So in this case, I would like to see the range from the ground floor slab top all the way to not the finished floor, rather to the first floor slab top. And I would like to see the underlay orientation to look down and not look up. So you can notice here in this help prompt what it means. So the underlay range includes elements between range base level 1, which is our bottom level, and the next level up, which is our top level. These elements display in half tone, so you can position other elements above or below, for example. Use underlay orientation to specify whether you look up or look down. So in this case, we will be looking down. So as soon as I move out of my properties window, the settings get applied. Now, this is also very important to recognize in Revit, is that when you make any changes here, and you want these changes to have an effect on your screen, you simply need to move out from this project palette window to your work window. Or what you can do is you can change the settings here, and at the bottom we have the apply option. So that is another option as well. But the fastest way is simply move into your work screen. So now you can see what lies below this level, and it is in half tone. And then you can, of course, edit your slab better and more. So right now we've added our slab correctly. You can notice that it is on the interior side, and we would need to add a plaster finish on top. So I'll show you how to create these plaster finishes later as well. So that was a quick video into understanding the underlay option in Revit. We can turn it off once we are done. And in the next video, what we can do is we will learn to create our doors and windows, and we will learn to create them from scratch. So we'll learn how to use the families in Revit to create your own window. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.